Karnataka, Chikmagalur, Sringeri Taluk, tourist place, tar road frontage, total 1.50 acre beautiful land. Forest trees, pond, plenty of water, beautiful hills view around foggy and cool weather, suitable for resort, homestay, farmhouse, villa, agriculture, plantation and investment purpose. Only buyers please contact, total 60 lakh asking, slightly negotiable. Thank you.